Let's create a unit test. Fire up Sublime Text and drag and drop wait for elements.py. This is what a unit test looks like. First, we have to import the unit test module. Then, we have to define the test case, which is named wait for elements. You can also see that our test case inherits from the test case class. Our test case currently consists of 3 methods: setup, the test, which waits for the check out my coolest photos button, and the teardown method. The setup and the teardown method are what is called fixtures. Our setup consists of navigating to travelingtony.weebly.com page, and the teardown quits the WebDriver. Unit test.main executes the test case by calling the unit test runner. Let's open the terminal and run this test case. Now you see that the unit test reporting framework is telling us how many tests were run, the time taken to run this test, and the status of the test run, which is a pass. Let's add another test to our test case. I'm just going to copy it from a text file and paste it in our test case. Now, our test case has 2 tests, one that waits for the check out my coolest photos button, and the new one that I just added that waits for the search field. Let's run our test case. Now, unit test is telling us that it ran 2 tests. The duration of the test run is 9.118 seconds and the status is a pass. Now, what you should know is that there are many test runners out there. For this test, we just use the unit test runner, but you can use others. One of the most popular ones is nose, which is more verbose and gives more options than the unit test one. We will see nose later on, but next, let's explore the assert methods provided by the unit test module.